Alright, everyone, now I'm going to teach you how to add pictures in Notion. So I have here, this is my Notion. This is my Notion, and then now we're going to add a picture. So in this part right here, you can click slash, and then the filters will be shown. They will show you the filters, and you can type image. And after, so the filter is like an AI assistant for you. Then you can click this image, and then it will redirect you here, and then you upload a file, and we're going to choose our file. Here is my file from the library, and now here we go. Now this is our picture, and you can actually delete that now, and then you can adjust this. You can click to drag or to move that, right? You can hold that to drag. So where do you want to put it? So you can drag that wherever you want to put your visuals, especially with the alignment. Where do you want to align it? But for me, I like to align it here. So yeah, or maybe better in this case. Now you can also crop your image. If, as you can see, the image right here, it has unwanted spaces. Okay, so we will crop them. You can click the crop, and then there you go. You can adjust your picture just like that. Easy peasy. There we go. Alright, then click save and snap. There we go. You'll just have to click it. Don't worry, it will take time, it will load, and there you go. Now you can adjust this whatever you want it to. So I think that's all for now, and I'll let you know when there's more. Thank you.